2017, Freeman began field testing Tier 4 final engines on our balers. Testing of the Tier 4 final engines began in May of 2017 in Southern California and June of 2017 in Northern California. Freeman has 4 Model 370 3-tie balers in testing. 2 are using Deutz Tier 4 final engines, and 2 are using Kubota Tier 4 final engines. These 4 test balers were engineered and manufactured at our headquarters in Sherwood, Oregon, while testing was coordinated from our Freeman store in Brawley, California. From thin windrows of alfalfa to huge oversized windrows, these balers have been working hard day and night. In June of 2017, both engines were validated in the field by the respective manufacturers for meeting emissions requirements. These units have baled orchard grass, alfalfa, Sudan, and Bermuda, and will be baling Timothy in September. By the fall of 2017, each of the 4 balers will have baled at least 75 to 100,000 bales this season. Freeman is excited that we will soon be offering Tier 4 final engine balers to our customers. Contact your local dealer for availability.